Hello and welcome to my channel, The So-Called Travel Expert. The highlights of this video include the Alpgrum station just beyond the Bernina Pass, crossing the Bernina Pass in a very scenic train route, a few waterfalls formed from the melting of snow, and an outstanding view of the Morteratsch Glacier. Keep watching. Our journey begins near the eastern part of Switzerland, near St. Moritz, specifically between the two stations of Alpgrum and Morteratsch. These are on either sides of the Bernina Pass. As I was busy admiring the departing train, I failed to notice that the train actually takes a 180 degrees steep turn just after the station. So definitely it was a missed Instagram opportunity. It was just right now that I noticed it. And there you already see the train has made its 180 degrees turn. Also notice the bench where you can have a picnic while admiring the beautiful scenery. Here's another view of the beautiful scenery. Snow-capped mountains. This was just the beginning of summer. The lake that you see down there is Lake Poschiavo, which is where the train heads to after multiple turns. And on the other side, you can start seeing the steep mountains. Here you can see the remnants of the Paliou Glacier, which is now receded back considerably. And you can also see how remote this location is. The only way of reaching here is by train. As the trains usually wait for around 10 minutes, it's a good opportunity to stretch out and enjoy the fantastic scenery. We now start our return journey from Alpgrum, stopping over at Ospizio Bernina, the highest point on this route, before then heading off to Morteratsch. The biggest advantage of these regional trains is that you can open the windows, unlike the Bernina Express, and that is a big advantage for photography. After leaving Alpgrum, the train climbs very steeply, and within 10 minutes, we already reach the top of Bernina Pass. This wall is actually a dam which is holding back the waters of the glacial lake Lago Bianco. The train has now reached the Bernina Pass, and you can see Lago Bianco, which is a glacial lake on the left side. If you are a railway fan, you will also have fun watching the train snaking around the curves. Ensure that you sit in one of the last coaches to get the best views. You can also see a small path right next to the railway lines, which is used by hikers and cyclists. It goes all the way from Ospizio Bernina to Alpgrum. As it was a cloudy day, the turquoise-colored water was not really that obvious, but keep watching for clips on how this lake looks on a bright sunny day. We are now at the Ospizio Bernina train station, which is the highest point on this Bernina Express route. And this, my friends, is how the lake looks on a beautiful sunny day in late summer. You can see the Cambrena Glacier in the background, which is also receded significantly. And this is the view that you actually get right from the train station. Definitely worth it. From Ospizio Bernina station, it is another 15 to 20 minute journey to reach Morteratsch. You can also see that there are no trees around, and that's because we are above the tree line, where the climate is too harsh for anything other than grass to grow. From this point, we have crossed the Bernina Pass and begin our descent towards Morteratsch, which brings us soon to one of the best views along the entire route. The Morteratsch Glacier and Peak Bernina, which is one of the highest in the Eastern Alps at around 4,065 meters. And everyone in the train goes crazy at this point, trying to take as many pictures as possible. Here's a beautiful waterfall formed from the melting snow in early summer. And finally crossing the stream which is formed from the melting Mortarach Glacier. And here is another view of that same stream with the Bernina Express passing over it and Peak Bernina in the background. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let us know in the comments section below. And please do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos on offbeat locations. Thank you.